Hello everybody, Assalamu alaikum. This is Muhammad Hashmi and welcome to MH Computer Academy. So guys, in this video we are going to talking about the basic of computer. So first of all we will discuss about the computer. What is the definition of computer? So computer is an electronic device that takes input and gives output after processing. So this is the basic definitions that made by me. So that will be very helpful for all of you for understanding point of view. So after that we will discuss here the tower. What is a tower? So you can say that this is a system unit, not a CPU. Mostly people say that this is a CPU, but this is not CPU, this is a system unit. So here you can see that the motherboard. What is a motherboard? So motherboard is the backbone of a computer. All other parts plugged into it. So all the parts of computer are plugged into the motherboard. So this is the main part and backbone of a computer. So what is CPU? The CPU is the abbreviation of Central Processing Unit, and CPU is the brain of a computer. It tells the other parts what to do, same like the brain of a human. So CPU plays very important role in a computer like a brain of a human. First of all, I want to say you that about the memory. So there are two type of the memories. One is a primary memory and second one is secondary memory. So primary memory divided into two parts. First one is RAM and second one is ROM, and secondary memory is divided into hard disk and SSD. So we are going to discussing about the RAM and ROM. So what is RAM? RAM is the abbreviation of random access memory. So it is a temporary memory of a computer. So all the programs that you runs on your computer, that all stored in a RAM. So the second one is ROM. The ROM is primary memory, and the abbreviation of ROM is read only memory. There is a typing mistake on the slide, so it is a permanent memory of a computer. What is input devices? So all the devices that provide the instruction to the computer are input devices. Like an input device lets you talk to the computer. So here you can see that on a slide that mouse is an input device, camera is an input device, and keyboard is also an input device. So same like that you can understand it by yourself with many examples in your real life. You can see that all the examples by yourself. So what are output devices? So all the devices that provides the output by the computer are known as output devices. So an output device lets the computer talk to you. So in the slide you can see that the computer is telling you all the devices are output devices, like speaker and LCD and printer and many other devices. So here is an activity that we will perform and understand all the concept that we have read already. So activity is that first of all we are giving input by an input device, that is keyboard. So first of all we will type something, some programs, and that will be processed in CPU. So after processing, the output will be shown on the output device, that is LCD. So this activity will be very helpful and very conceptual for all of you guys. So here is a quiz that you have to answer the quiz. So what is a motherboard? The motherboard is the dash of a computer. So brain, backbone and foot. So right answer is backbone. Second MCQs, ROM is the dash memory of a computer. So permanent, smart, temporary. So ROM is a permanent memory of a computer. Third one is that the CPU is the dash of a computer. Brain, backbone, or foot. So the right answer is brain. The CPU is the brain of a computer, like the brain of a human body. Fourth MCQs is RAM is the dash memory of a computer, permanent, smart, and third one is temporary. So the right answer is temporary. Fifth MCQs is an example of an input device is printer, monitor, and mouse. So the right answer is mouse. So here is the last and sixth example. An example of an output device is keyboard, monitor, mouse. So the right answer is monitor. So I hope this lecture will be very beneficial for all of you. So if you like this, then subscribe to my YouTube channel. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.